Hello friends, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are doing fine. Have you ever felt that you are not smart enough in front of the other person? Isn't it frustrating to feel this way? If you were smart enough, you would have felt more confident and that would have helped you to progress in life. We all want progress, isn't it? But the question is how to become smart. I'm sure this is the question that is coming to your mind. Today, I'm going to share this topic with you all, that how you can inculcate certain habits in you which will make you a smarter person. Smarter person doesn't mean that you have to have flashy clothes and you have to impress others with your big, just boasting talks. No, that is not being smart. Who is a smart person? Smart person is a person who is intelligent, who is knowledgeable. So what are those habits that these people have that everyone needs to inculcate them? Whether it is a school student, whether it is a working professional, whether it is a homemaker, this video is for all kinds, categories of people. As an educator, I have come across so many students facing this problem. They always feel little low because they find that their friend is much more smarter than them. Or even in the offices, I have seen people feeling like this. So what are those secret habits? Listen to this video till the end if you wish to be a smart person. The first secret habit that they have is they have this habit of reading, reading and reading. Do you know that reading a book can reduce your stress by 68 to 70%? Most successful people have this habit of reading. If you take people like Mark Zuckerberg, you take Steve Jobs, you take Oprah, you take J.K. Rowling, all these smart people, successful people have been having this habit of reading. Read books that interest you. It could be any subject. It could be finance, it could be spirituality, it could be history, it could be science, anything that you interest. But always be keen to learn. Second secret habit of these smart people, they are always learning something new. Being curious is good for your brain. It challenges your brain to try out new things. Ask yourself, what are you interested in? And try to do that now, not in the future. So be open-minded to learn anything you find you're interested in. Third very important habit of these smart people, they always take care of their health. Isn't it said that healthy mind comes from healthy body? So you should eat well and exercise to make yourself smarter. Another secret habit of smart people. Remember, don't forget this. They mix with only smart people. So you should also try to find out people who are smarter than you and listen to their thoughts and ideas. See what you can learn from them. Another secret habit. I'm calling it secret because they don't discuss, but it is seen in their performance, in their progress in life. They will never worry about what others think about them. They are very smart enough to eliminate all those worrying feelings in their mind. I know it is not so easy to do that, but this is the only way that you need to eliminate that worry. Otherwise, it will disturb your mental peace. So don't get disturbed by what others are thinking. It is not at all important in your progress. Another secret habit of these smart and successful people, they are always organized. What happens when they are organized? They feel more confident and it makes their life very efficient. And thirdly, they have more time for themselves, all because they are organized. So one must always have this habit if you want to be smart, of course. Next secret habit of these successful and smart people, they love to travel and explore. Travel can boost your confidence. There are studies that show that traveling has made people smarter because you're out of your comfort zone always. Your brain is trying to be more creative there. You learn, no doubt, about the new cultures when you visit a new place. You come across new routes. You come across new languages. And also you learn how to deal with difficult situations in a new place. So it's very good to travel. It's not necessary that you have to go very far off places, but make it a habit to get out of your house and be observing other things around you. Next secret habit of these successful and smart people is they work smarter, not harder. They exactly know how much they can work. They don't continuously keep working. They do take breaks in between and they relax their mind at that time. They believe in taking one step at a time. That helps them to progress. Another very interesting habit these smart people have, they are very much organized and they have a planned routine. They don't just get up in the morning and start wondering, oh, what am I going to do now? It is already planned in their minds a day before. Today is the day, these are the things I'm going to do. And the last, but not the least, very important thing to keep your emotional stability is they accept others as they are. They are never judgmental. They believe in thinking that they themselves are not perfect. So how can they expect perfection from others? That makes them more magnanimous. So these are some of the things I wanted to share with you all, and I wish that every person is able to take up these habits and become a smarter version of themselves. At least this is what I also try to do. Always trying to be more organized, trying to accept others as they are, trying to plan my routine, trying to see who is a smart person around me and learning from that person. Of course, I never try to neglect my health and my favorite habit of reading. I love to read. These are some things that we all must develop in us. So I hope you have liked this video and you will try to take up these habits and become a better person. Thank you. That do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Share all these habits with your family members and you will see a beautiful environment around you. Thank you. Bye for now.